Hello everyone and welcome back. And now that we've purchased the land, I decided the first thing I needed to do was get a really nice box blade, because I'm going to be working with an older John Deere 850 tractor, and really the only thing I would have would be the box blade to build this road. So I went to one of our local suppliers, and as you can see, purchased a nice box blade. What I consider, I'm sure it's not the heaviest, but it's thick steel, and I feel like it'll last me a long time. It cost me about $1,100 for this box blade, and like I said, I think it's a very nice one. The land is just hard clay and cornfield and brush. So when I started removing the brush, I found me a couple of friends. Thank goodness they were not harmed.
Looky there. Hey, boys. There you go.
Like I said, the land is just raw land, cornfield. It's clay, very hard clay soil. Right now it's been a rainy time, but yet you really don't sink down. You may spin on top of the ground, but you won't sink down. But it's just raw land that needs to be developed. I ended up having to take a few trees out of the way, so we cut them down with a chainsaw and then used the old 850 John Deere to pull them out of the way. And that's my dad in the background, my dad and my best friend. He was watching over and helping me as always. So because the ground's so hard, this is what I ended up doing. I just took the box blade, as you can see, and I just scraped the muck that was on top of the ground, and literally I didn't have to scrape down but probably an inch or so, and I ended up with a really firm surface to build my path on. So instead of digging down like 4 inches and then filling it with rock, I just pretty much laid the path right on top of the ground. My land dips down in the middle and then it comes back up to a hill, which is where we eventually want to put our RV. And so I took at the top of the hill and I made a parking pad, and also got it ready for where our RV is going to be at. After getting the pad scraped, I ended up putting down this geofabric that I ordered off of Amazon. I checked around everywhere, but really they had the best deal, and as always, it was delivered for free. So now that the fabric's down, it's time to call for the rock truck, but I had to wait till the morning when the ground was completely froze. Our path is over 800 feet long and a parking pad at the top of about a 40 by 40. So after many dump truck loads and around $5,000, we ended up with a really nice path. But this is where you save money at. I'd got a price for around $9,000 when I ended up with everything around $6,000 doing it myself. Now with the path done, I put down some blocks and leveled them to get ready for my RV to be sitting on top of the hill. So if you're enjoying this content, please hit the like and the subscribe, leave me a comment, and also follow me along on TikTok where you'll get a few more videos all along. So for now, God bless and have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon.